Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Dear students of class 7th, welcome you again very warmly in my online English class. As you know, we have completed three chapters from prose portion, namely the Markhor, Tobacco the Silent Killer, and a Mad Tea Party. Three chapters from poems portion, Windows, Trees, Abu bin Adam, and a chapter from short stories so far. Today we are continuing with the chapter from prose, namely Laldad, and the chapter occupy number second in your textbook. Let us get started. A brief introduction of the chapter. Laleshwari, also known as Laldad, Lala, Lal Arifa, she was a mystic of the Kashmiri Shwet and at the same time a Sufi saint. She is a creator of the mystic poetry called Watson or Walks, literally speech, known as Lal Walks. Her verses are the earliest compositions in the Kashmiri language and are an important part in history of Kashmiri literature. Her works have been translated into English by Richard Temple, Jialal Kaur, Coleman Barks, Jayashri Odin, and Nirja Matu. A solo play in English, Hindi, and Kashmiri titled Lal Ded, based on her life, has been performed by actress Mita Vashisht all over India. Now, explanation of the Lal Ded. Lal Ded 1320 to 1392, a 14th century poet, was born in Padmanpur near Pampur, Pulwama. She is known by various appellations: Lala, Lal Arfa, Me Lal Ded, Laleshwari, Lal Yogeshwari, and Lala the Great. She is the most respected and renowned woman saint poet of Kashmir. She was married at the age of 12, but her married life proved unhappy and she left her in laws at the age of 24 to take sannyas. Sannyas means renunciation. She was greatly influenced by the Svet and Sufi school of thought. She gave up the world pursuits and pleasures to know her God. She not only became a mystic of the Kashmiri Svet but also a Sufi saint. She created the mystic poetry called walks, literally means sayings or speech. Each walk containing four lines is a short poem structured around a theme, popularly known as Lal Walks. Her poetry is considered as the earliest composition in Kashmiri language and plays an important role in the history of Kashmiri literature. Her works represent the best teachings for mankind in the modern world. They inspire to seek unity and harmony between people of all religions and races. These works describe the relationship between man and God and the deepest urge of the human soul, that is to be one with the Almighty. In one of her works, she talks about the temporary nature of this world and advises people not to get overwhelmed by worldly pleasures and charms. Her poetry is an emblem of humanism and a treasure of wisdom, love, and truth, which describes the quest of life seeking peace, joy, and truth. It reveals the real essence of religion. Lal Ded has greatly influenced by Sheikh Noordin Wali, the famous poet saint known for his great poetry. Lal Ded is a towering personality in the history of Kashmiri literature. She has become a household name. She continues to grow popular even after her death, and she is the mouthpiece of great ideals of life. Her works have been translated into English by Richard Temple, Jialal Kaur, Coleman Barks, Jayashri Odin, and Nirja Matu. A soul play in English, Hindi, and Kashmiri titled Lal Ded, based on her life, has been performed by actress Mita Vashist all over India. This is the explanation of the Lal Ded. Stay home, stay blessed. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.